We are following major breaking news right now in the Karen Read mistrial. Her defense team just moments ago filing a motion to dismiss 2 of the 3 counts against her, including the charge of second-degree murder and leaving the scene of a deadly crash. So her trial ended last Monday in a mistrial. We reported on it extensively, right? A jury could not reach a unanimous verdict on all 3 counts, but according to the court documents filed today, her lawyers now say they have since heard from 3 jurors that the jury did, in fact, have a unanimous decision to acquit her on those 2 counts. In the filing, they say a retrial on those counts would violate double jeopardy protections. Again, Karen Read's lawyers just moments ago filing a motion to dismiss 2 of the 3 counts against her, including that most serious count of second-degree murder. We're going to bring you any updates as they come in, but certainly this is massive news happening today in the Karen Read trial. Now, all of this news is coming down on the same day that the lead investigator in that case could learn his fate. Thanks for being with us, everyone. I'm Melody Mendez. So let's talk about Trooper Michael Proctor for a moment. He was relieved of his duty. He is now the subject of an internal investigation by Mass State Police. In fact, that investigation began before the trial even started. But now there's a hearing getting underway any minute now about what happens next. So NBC 10's Manash Kungwari live in Framingham. Manash, what can we expect from this hearing today?
Well, we know that it means that Trooper Michael Proctor will have one more time to defend his actions before his superiors here at the department ultimately determine his future. Now, this whole thing is really centered on inappropriate texts he sent while he was serving as lead investigator on that murder case. Those texts came to light during the Karen Read murder trial. And in fact, in some of those texts, we saw that he was talking to family, friends, and colleagues, referring to Karen Read as a, quote, whack job. And one text to his sister, Proctor said, quote, hopefully she, meaning Karen Read, kills herself.
I think I've been very clear, and I want to remain very clear. Misconduct in any way, shape, or form of the Massachusetts State Police will not be tolerated. I think I've said that I condemn those comments in the strongest terms possible. They are not reflective of the Massachusetts State Police. That's not where we want to be as an organization.
Well, after being relieved of his duties last week, Proctor was transferred from the Norfolk County District Attorney's Office to Troop H at the Mass State Police Department. He is currently getting paid, but is not actively working. His car, gun, and gear have been taken away, which is standard practice. After today, one of these 4 things on your screen could happen. He could either be retained on full duty, placed on restricted duty, suspended with pay, or suspended without pay. Now, I can tell you that the hearing is beginning right now. It should have started just a couple minutes ago. A spokesperson with the Mass State Police Department tells us we expect to learn exactly what happens in there this evening. Once we do, we'll update you. But for right now, we're live here in Framingham. Manash Kungwari, NBC 10 Boston.